Okay, and now it is day 3 of my Udemy sales hacking for my first paid course in Udemy, and I will monitor my progress for the first 30 days, and hopefully that helps somebody to learn something. So anyway, in day 3, the first thing I did was to check my earnings report, and shows that I've made $100. So from yesterday, I made an additional $20 in sales, also from my own subscriber list, and I was giving out a coupon to get my course at $10. So I made an additional 2 sales in the 24 hours since my last video. And I checked the ranking of my course in the subcategory of home business, and looks like I've gone from page 4 to page 3 and slightly more than 26 places higher than where I was yesterday. Then I take a look at my course and I have 5 reviews. So I have 2 additional reviews from yesterday, and this is the 3rd day of my Udemy course. And one of those reviews was actually from one of our staff at Cradle, and they've completed the course and given a 5-star review. So that is normal. Actually, Udemy even suggests that the first thing you do is to send out your course to your friends, your colleagues, ask them to take a look at it and leave you a review. So that's exactly what I've done. So one of those reviews is from my staff, and another additional review is from someone who signed up from a free coupon. Now, the rate of people signing up from the free coupon seemed to have dropped a lot, and I realized that that has probably something to do with me changing the title. I've also come to realize that although yesterday it seemed to me that nobody is actually signing up for my course from searching for keywords like niche or niche marketing or niche research, all of which I show up on the first page of the search results. Today I realized that there's actually no real way for me to know if a Udemy student who is already on Udemy browsed one of those pages, looked at my course that was $69, and then just Google the course name and got the same free coupon that I've given out in Udemy Studio. So I assumed that I did not get any signups from organic traffic in Udemy, but today I realized that is probably not the case, because Udemy just doesn't give you statistics on the coupon usage. They just show you the number of coupons you use, and that's it. So I decided to Google for the name of my course, the new name, and it seems that 4 sites are publishing the free coupon that I have first published in Udemy Studio. Now, I did the same search result with the old title, and it shows 16 results for the old title. So I realized a few things. When you give out a coupon, a free coupon, it's not a good idea to change your name, because some people browsing on Udemy may actually search for the new title and find no coupon whatsoever, and may have decided just not to sign up for your course because they don't want to pay for it. But whatever the case is, I think 1,300 students from those free coupons that I've given out is probably enough for now, and from this point onwards I will focus on getting paid customers. So I've actually deactivated the free coupon that I've given out in the past 2 days. So those who have signed up, good for them, but from today I will only focus on actually selling it instead of giving out free coupons. And next, I took a look at the discussion section of my course and realized that there's 0 discussions going on. So I have 1,317 students, and 10 of those students are actually paid students. They pay $10 each to be a part of this course, and yet no one has asked any question at all. So I do know that it's human nature. No one wants to post the first comment or the first discussion, but they all want to join in on the existing discussion. So I decided, why don't I just create the first discussion? I mean, I don't have to wait for others. So basically, I've added a very small discussion saying I'm giving out a free niche website builder to anyone who completes 75% of the course and completes the final exam. Okay, and I also asked them to refer to the course overview section. So this is a new section that I've added with some details, and I say I'm open to any suggestion on how to make this course better. Let me know what I can add, change, avoid, improve, etc. Now this last paragraph here is intentional. It's something that I learned from those courses I took on how to make money with Udemy. And this is in place to prevent negative reviews. So at this stage, although I have over 60 lectures in my course, there's still some topics that I have not covered in terms of niche marketing. I haven't covered keyword research tools, and I also haven't covered some parts of link building and SEO. And I have a plan to add those videos in later to keep something going on and to keep my course active, but to prevent negative reviews based on the fact that it's slightly incomplete. I've added this paragraph here so that if anybody feels that they have anything that they're not satisfied with this course, they can message me here instead of leaving a negative review. And then I publish that discussion. So that appears as the first discussion, and when I check my Udemy statistics, it shows that I have 1 total discussions. So I guess all Udemy instructors understand that Udemy looks at several key metrics to determine if your course is good or average or below average. And they look at number of students you have, the number of free versus paid students, the average price paid by a student to join your course, but they also look at engagement such as the average content consumed and total discussions. So the amount of discussions here is something that I know I can directly enhance, and by leaving 1 discussion, at least it's not 0, and hopefully that improves the ranking of my course. Although, to be honest, I have no way to know the effect of this discussion. I guess I'll find out tomorrow. So since I've decided to end all free promotions for this course and start with paid promotions, the question now is, what price should my coupon be? The cost is at $69, and I did try to promote a coupon code where students can get my course at $10. I made 10 sales out of that. So that's all great news, but what if I had given out a coupon at $20? Would I still have made 10 sales? Would I have made 8 sales? Because if I made 8 sales at $20, I would have still made much more money than I did by giving it out at $10. Or what if I gave out a coupon code for $9 instead of 10? Would I have received 10 sales, or would I have received 12 sales? And that is a very important question, and I realized that there's actually no real way for you to know which price point converts better for your course. So what I did, since I'm determined to do this scientifically and get as many tools and scientific data as possible, I created a lot of coupon codes on different price points. So I've read on the Udemy blog that some of the popular price points are $9, $10, $19. But I've created more than that. I've created 10, 20, 15, 19, 9, 29, 30, 5, 25, 35. And of course, I cannot promote all these coupons at the same time, and I have no intention on promoting one by one to discover which is the most profitable for me. So what I did was, I realized that I do have a software at linktracker.com that can do split testing very easily. So I created 10 coupons, and then I went to my link tracker account and created a tracking link and entered all those 10 coupons into the tracking link as part of a split test URL. So I've entered all 10 coupons and I've weighted it such a way that each coupon gets 10% of the traffic that clicks on my redirect link. And I've also selected the option to always show the cookie URL to the same visitor. So what this means is when someone clicks on my tracking link, if they see the $10 coupon, then the second time they click on the link, they will also see the $10 coupon, since Link Tracker has placed a cookie on their computer and knows that the first time they click, they went to the $10 coupon, so the second time they click, they will also go to the $10 coupon. And this is very, very important to maintain the integrity of this split test, and also to make sure that people are not confused when they see different price for my course every time they click. So this is my tracking link that I've created in Link Tracker, and it is gig URL or giggle.com/UD niche. So when I promote my course through paid advertising or on my blog or on Facebook in the future, I am only going to put this information over here, the redirect URL, and not the full coupon link. So in the split test URL that I showed you, I've entered some variables as well, and those are variables given by the Link Tracker software, which is campaign, sub-campaign, ad group, ad name, keyword, and link ID. And Link Tracker actually is quite compatible with Google Analytics, so I can put this code into the actual link, and when I create a campaign in Link Tracker, the variables will be converted to the proper Google Analytics UTM tagging format. So basically, all the split testing URLs that I've entered in Link Tracker look something like this. It's the course URL, UTM source, and this is an actual tag used by Google Analytics. And then I put in the Link Tracker tag over here, and I've put in the coupon code at the very end of the link. So I've tested it in this format and it works. The coupon code does not have to appear in the early or in the middle part of your link. It can appear after all the other variables and it will still work fine. And the other reason I want to do this is because I do not want the coupon code to be visible in the browser. So by doing this, the actual coupon code gets pushed to the end of a very long link, and those who know how to look for it can still look for it, but it makes it less visible. So when I create a campaign in Link Tracker, for example, I put in the campaign name as eWeber, sub-campaign as email, and ad group as Cradle Customer, and I click Save that campaign, I will be given a campaign short link. So this is the link that I will use when promoting to this specific audience or source. And when someone clicks on this short link over here, they will be taken to the actual URL, which will look something like this. So the variables will be converted. So UTM source is now eWeber, UTM medium is email, the rest are empty. UTM campaign is Cradle Customer, and the coupon code at the end. So by doing this, I hope that I can actually get this data back from Google Analytics, which I plan to set up today. But one thing I realized when I'm testing out these coupon codes is that the price of $69 doesn't really make a big impact when you're giving out coupons. I mean, if I'm giving out a coupon for $35, then it looks like a potential student is only getting a 40+ % discount. And what I decided to do is to increase the price to $199. And when I did this, I realized that actually the price you put on Udemy is very, very flexible. You can change the price anytime you want, and it really doesn't mean anything. I mean, the higher the price that you put over here, the more someone will feel that they are getting a really good deal. So if I put a price at $199 and someone wants to buy the course at $30 or $29, then the difference between $199 and $29 is huge compared to the difference between $69 and $29. So they would feel that they are getting a really good bargain over here. So then I logged out of my Udemy account to test out the split testing from link tracker and all the coupon codes. However, I realized something quite funny over here. When I looked at my page, I noticed that without a coupon code, Udemy somehow displays my course slightly different with a $19 price point, and the $199 price is striked out. So this is not a coupon code that I created, this is a coupon code that Udemy created. I'm not sure what exactly happened here, but when I tested with an actual coupon link that I created earlier, then this was gone, and what I see now is the actual coupon price. So you can see what I'm talking about here. Now if the price was $69 and I want someone to buy at $35, then it doesn't seem like they're saving a lot. But now that the price is $199, it looks like they're getting an 82% discount. So this is the highest price point that I'm testing out, $35, and even at this price point it looks like a very good deal, over 80% off. So next I sent out another email to my subscriber list, and this time I included customers as well, which I didn't do in the first mailing list. So hopefully by sending out to customers of Link Tracker and customers of Nishify who have actually paid our company a lot of money in the past, I was hoping to get a much better response. Now the difference with this email you can see here is I do not mention any coupon codes. I also do not mention the final price of the course. All I say is that here is the link to get the course at over 80% discount. And then I put in the tracking link with the split testing that is provided by Link Tracker. So if 100 people click on this link, they will all see a different price point over here. However, by putting the description over 80%, no matter what price point they're looking at, that will always be accurate. Even at the highest price point I'm testing at $35, it's still an 82% discount. And of course at $9, it's much more than that, but it's still accurate to say that it's over 80% discount. So this is how I will be promoting my courses in the future. I will not create one coupon code. Why should I, when I can create many different coupon codes to maximize the income that I'm going to get, and also to get the actual value that people are willing to pay for this course. So I'm only going to give a vague amount like over 80%, and I'm going to use a tracking link and see the results that I get. So I was trying to figure out now how to add Google Analytics to my course, and while looking at the Udemy blog, for whatever reason the blog didn't work today. However, I did manage to find some information from other sites on how to integrate Google Analytics to Udemy. So I've created a new property in my Google Analytics account for Udemy, and most importantly I have created a goal to track the number of people who sign up for my course. So from the documentation that I've seen, Udemy gives you a few pages that you can track, and one of them is the payment success page. So this basically tracks the number of people who signed up for your course. And I've put this as a goal using regular expression, and I have updated my Udemy account with my Google Analytics code. So hopefully tomorrow I will see much more data in my Google Analytics account than is available in the Udemy dashboard, because really what's available in the Udemy dashboard will not help me to actually improve my sales or understand anything about my online marketing and promotion. So now with the 10 different price point coupons and with the redirect URL and split testing capabilities from link tracker and the integration with Google Analytics to track the actual signups, I hope that going forward I will be able to make better decisions when I have better data in my hands. And that's all for today.